I'm at my local Goodwill, and this is the first thing I ran into was this basket for like $11.25, but I did not like the plastic inside of it. But what I did find out is the plastic looks like it could come out without damaging the basket, so this is a win for me. They just brought out a cart with new merchandise, and I love this bird cage. It's metal and it's green, and it was only $4.92. Finally, an empty shopping cart so I don't have to carry these items around anymore. Unfortunately, the cart has a squeaking issue. So I'm just pushing this cart around, acting like no one can hear it, that I am completely unnoticed. Nice vintage birds, but they were like almost $5 each. Too expensive for me for resale.
Basket, the $4.92. Good one. It was made in December of 2013, but it looks nice. That's really interesting. It's metal. It needs a different color and it needs a latch right there. I think I might be able to take care of it. I think I'm running out of room. Scorpio. We're done. $1.34. I think I'll get that one too. We'll find a place to put it. This is really pretty. It's $5.14. It's not marked. I think I'm going to get it anyway because it's just really pretty. I'm not seeing any glasses that's jumping out. Lots of pretty dishes today. Tons of mason jars. Nice stand. I've got plenty, but for $2.99 it's a really nice one. I'll leave it for someone else. What is it? Big vase. It's really scratched up. And it's also it's a glass bag. I think I'm putting this one back because it's red and it's going to be really hard to paint. And it has to be replaced in $7.70. I think it's a little high, so I think I'm going to put it back. Tupperware bowls. $2.86 on them. Not a bad buy. Made in the USA, but Tupperware just doesn't do well for me. These are pretty. This is a pumpkin. Coming out soon. I like this too. This is really pretty. It's the apple one. Alright, let's go. I also really like this. Cannot get this to move, so I'm going to put it back. Too bad. It's really cute. Coming out with another tray, fan, and parts for a computer. It's an old digital clock. It's even got a backup 9-volt battery. They're selling for about $18 online, which is not that great, so I'm going to pass on it because it's really scratched up on the front. It's a really pretty cedar box for $2.95. It's pretty, really heavy, like marble. Oh, this is actually beadwork. It's a frog on a toilet. Yes, I am going to pass. No, I'm not going to see how much they are. I'm just going to move on. An old wooden cigar box. I don't think it's really old. It's in St. James, Missouri, so it's very local. This car is so loud. I snuck up on everybody to check out. Nobody knew I was here, but it's so loud that one of the employees came up to me and said, I got to take that card. I can't stand it anymore. I'm like, serious, I'm going to the checkout, I promise. I got the head transfer print plate and Scorpio way down cut. And we're going to go check out now, so we won't drive anyone else crazy.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next.